All right, for all of your stocks, each stock in your group, you figured out how many shares and about how much to invest in each share, so you've worked it all out. Now the question is, what do you expect to get in the future? So, we have three different percentages here. The expected percentage, you're going to use the 5-year average for that. The optimistic percentage, for that you're going to use the best of the 5 individual years, and the pessimistic percentage. For that you're going to use the worst of the 5 individual years. There's a good chance the pessimistic one will be negative. But there we go. So the expected percentage on Texas Instruments, it's my average 5-year change, 19.25%. So I can copy that 19.25%, but the easiest way is perhaps to just say equals, click on the block, and say it equals that. And it shows up as 19.25%. If you type the number in yourself, you have to type in 0.1925, or you have to include the percentage. If you just do 19.25, you'll get the wrong answer. So the optimistic is going to be the easiest, the best return from the last 4 or 5 years. So it starts with a formula. It starts with an equals. We'll go back here, and the best return was from 2017 to 2018 when it went up 49.5%. And the worst year starts with an equals. Back to this page. The worst year is when it went down 13.4%. So now we have the expected percentage, the 5-year average, the optimistic, which is the best of the 5 years, the pessimistic, which is the worst single year of the 5 years, and how much on the return. This is the same formula we all know. Equals the starting amount. This is the starting amount. Open parentheses. Multiplied. You need to actively multiply. Times the power. And what we're going to take to the power is 1 plus the rate. That's 1 plus the rate. And take that to the 5th power. So comma 5. So equals the starting amount times the power of 1 plus the rate, and we're going to take the 5th power to go 5 years into the future. And you'll see that the expected is that this is $10,000 is going to grow to $24,492. Not bad. So optimistically, we'll say the same thing, equals the starting amount times power 1 plus the rate, but in this case we're going to use the 49.64 rate and take that to the 5th power. It's going to grow quite a bit more. And the pessimistic equals, to start a formula, the original amount times power 1 plus the rate, and take that to the 5th power, and there we go. Under the pessimistic version, we lost more than half of the money we put in. So repeat that step. Each person should do that for their own stocks, and then you'll get all 4 years figured out. Good work.